All right, I gotta come clean. I got a late start today. I, again, have well under an hour. I'm at Black Rose, Hanover. I don't have time for cases, but hopefully there's some good stuff waiting for us in those aisles. Cutest Cupid thing ever. Oh my gosh. 24. I can't swing that. Love the Lustro wear. Oh, some really fun dogs. Set. I don't think those belong together, but still fun. I cannot help but notice this fabulous bottle. I love that. Been getting more and more into some mid-century glass, not all of it, some. Kind of sprung a new appreciation. All right, I don't have much time. Let's get in there. Rose bowls, $8 each. Love the opalescent hobnail. Shirley Temple. Holy moly. Okay. Please tell me this isn't a candle. Battery operated ghost. No, no, unfortunately. This is fantastic. That's an awesome die cut. I bet that glows like crazy in the black light. Wow, there is a lot going on in here. Yeah, it's been a long time since I've been here. I've been going to yesteryear, but I really haven't been going here. This thing is freaking cool. Not for my purposes, but I like the inflatables and the plastics. Head vase. Ooh, she's got some serious weight to her. $9. She's got crazy, but like still, that's an insane good deal. I don't really want to mess with her, even though it's kind of, oh my gosh, look at that monkey thing. This is really pretty. This blue vase. Is there a discount in this booth? I'm being so cheap right now. 15% off. That's really pretty. I'm nervous. The more I look at her, the more I'm gonna see what's wrong with her. What? Look at that. That is so funny. Got some serious weight to it. It would cost a lot for shipping for the buyer. I feel like it would cost more than it's worth. It's just a hobbyist piece. It's just fun. Let's see what's going on over here. Look at this hors d'oeuvres bird. He's crazy looking. Ooh. Hello. That's an awesome bucket. $13. Oh, get ready for aggressive announcements. Little poodle figurine. Cute. It's got a sad eye. I like the blue milk glass. $12. Right? Yeah, $15 for the blue. Just kidding. Carnival glass. I've been doing really well on carnival glass recently. These awesome cat earrings. Those are so fun. Earrings don't sell that well for me, and those are a little spendy. Whoa, hello. These are great bangles. 14 for 2. That's probably pretty close to retail for me. This has my attention too. This guy's pretty great. Some crazy masks. See, I'm scared to ship these. I feel like there's too many things that could get wrong in between buying and selling them. Like this cut to clear, 24. This vendor has a booth over at yesteryear. I usually get a bunch of fun stuff from them. Oh my gosh, how cute. $4, 15% off. Look at this angel one. Oh, she's fantastic. I'm gonna get her. Little felt vintage assortment. Oh my gosh, those are so sweet. Christmas bulb. Should I get this one too? I think we're gonna stick with the angel. What? There's so much more Christmas. How did I not notice? I'm not paying attention. Oh, this guy's hilarious. Googly Eye Santa. I love him. I'm gonna rescue him. I like this amber picture. 22. Oh, that's awesome. Isn't that like Carmen Miranda? I meant Carmen Sandiego, not Carmen Miranda. Good grief. That's really pretty. That's only 13, that bowl. Oh, she's sweet. It's been a while since I had one of these. $6.99. What? a great price. I'm definitely gonna pick that up. She is spectacular. What's happening here? Multicolored small bowl, $3. I'm not so sure about its origin. It's kind of cool though. For $3, sure, why not? Look at this Halloween bag. How fantastic. $6, 1960s, and I think they even have 20% off in this booth. Did I make that up? I don't see a discount sign. Oh my gosh. Look at this one. Yes, yes, yes. How are these just sitting here? That's insane. Sold.
Closing.
These are so
minutes.
pretty. 28 minutes. You heard it first. $18 for the pair? Dude, I'm gonna go ahead and take these. It seems like a really good deal. It's an awesome color, and the paint's like all there, which is rare. I feel like whenever I see these, the paint is rough. Plus, I'm kind of killing it with the deals so far. Things I've picked up are really well priced. Now, over here, speed shopping. Some more glass, 18. Glowy glass. What about this one? That's pretty. 35. Northwood. Oh, the tag is not attached. It says 38 though. It's definitely retail. Here, I'll do that. What's this little ruffled edge hiding in here? 25. Dang. Last time I came in here, I found some pretty good deals. This is my favorite little nook. The prices here are insanely good. Boyd's Bear, $9. I like the yellow. Crazy seashell thing. Austria. Trying not to miss anything, but keep my pace. I'm surprised I've gotten as far as I have, honestly. There's another ruffled edge bowl. $11 and 15% off. That's a pretty great deal. Kind of lost interest though. I do see what I believe to be a McCoy smiley mug. $12 and 11%. That's great for a collector. It's still a little close for me. I could get away with it, but I try not to spend too much on things that are on the more common side. Oh, risque, but they're definitely priced accordingly. Whoa, that's freaking gorgeous. As found, $14. What's as found about it? I wish they would just tell me. I don't see anything, but there has to be something, otherwise they wouldn't have said it. Is it that tiny nick at the bottom? Is that it? There's like a tiny nick at the bottom. Dude. Wait, it's $14 and 20%? I kind of feel like taking a gamble on that. All right, under half an hour. What else can we find? Ooh, a little Christmas dog. Joseph Originals, $12, 10%. It could be hit or miss at that price. This vendor has such fun stuff. I just want to touch this so bad. Yeah, they also have a booth at Yesteryear. I've gotten some really great stuff from them. Look at these bookends. How great. Pixie bookends. Coppercraft. Not so sure about the color on that, but the content's right. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my gosh. Dude. Now this is why I do what I do. Hell yeah. I'm marching these straight up to the front and asking them to wrap. I don't even care about the chip on the one ear. Are they both chipped? Oh my gosh. No, this one's in good condition. I'm gonna save these for the Kitsch train I'm co-hosting in November, because those are epic. They're definitely like Sir Nifis's long lost cousins. 100%. Wow, I'm so stoked about those. That just made my whole day worth it. It's not even the most valuable thing I found. It's just my favorite. All right, let's see what else is in here. That really got me going. I needed that. Oh, this is so cute, the little whale. $30 though. See, now everything's gonna seem lackluster after that. Well, this wasn't here the last time I was here. This whole booth is new. These are so fun. Oh, this is that same vendor. Oh, good grief. I hope this is unlocked.
You see all that?
Nope. Can't open it because they don't open cases after a certain time here. So I'm not even gonna look. I don't wanna feel like I'm missing out. What about this giant spaghetti poodle? $12.99 as is. Hat missing flower. What's happening here? Vintage pink vases, set of 2. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. The graphics perfect on that one. I guess this is kind of a freebie. Yeah, well, this one alone is enough to get me to spend $5 on it. That is so sweet. I love those little Meyer cord decals. Now, what's going on with this Winnie the Pooh mug? That is adorable too. $8. Kind of like this. Even though it looks like it's missing its stopper. $32. So cool. Ah, it's a coconut. Topsy from Florida. She's fantastic. Well, I love her. Coconuts are hit or miss for me. I know. Get your giggles in. But she's pretty great. A nut from Florida. I'm gonna grab her. It's been a while since I've done something like that. And she's got pigtails. I can't resist pigtails like that. Ooh, this one's vintage. $7.50. You know what? All is well with the world because I actually tried to pick, well, I did pick one of these up in Pittsburgh and they left it out of my stuff. Don't worry, I didn't pay for it, but for $7.50, I'm gonna grab that. What's going on over here? $23 Fenton. That's really pretty. Little imperial slide glass pitcher. Seashell. These are, I don't think there's a discount in this booth. I mean, yeah, there's not a discount in this booth, but still, their prices are so good. Look at this little green depression glass creamer. That's $5. I think I'll pick that up. Getting a little crazy. Oh my gosh. Speaking of glass baskets, for $8, I'm definitely grabbing that. I love that pink milk glass. That's an earlier one too. What else can I fit in here in like 5 minutes? Blue crackle glass vase, $4. Sure. This is awesome. The prices are so good. This is $16, dude. What? This one's art glass heart dish. Dude, I am like about to let loose out here. 26. Dude, this is 15. Seems very, very well priced. 17. I'm like totally nuts right now. I love that vase. Now, I also can't help but notice this. Cloisonne duck. $10. That is very different. I go ahead and take a chance on that. That's a really big size. I think this case is locked. That cranberry vase is gorgeous. Yeah, it is locked. All right, I'm taking this duck. And what about Snow White Disney Japan? $8. I just had one of those not long ago. 15. I'm really tempted to pick that up. I don't think these glow. Now, this is something I really am having a hard time walking away from. It's very heavy and I don't know if I can get away with that. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. Art glass pin cushion. Whoa, the frog. I'm gonna take the frog. The frog's cool. The pin cushion's cool too. Oh, there must be no time left. It must be staying open late because I feel like I've been here for a really long time. Yeah, for $5, I'm gonna grab this one too. All right, I need to stop and get out of here because they are probably legit about to close on me. But also this little Kanawa. Did I say that right? It's only $8. probably the color and the fact that it's got some of its partial sticker that's really standing out to me, but I think I'm gonna let it go for $23. Maybe I'll get this little slack glass picture. Is that a crack though? I'm not sure about that. All right, let me stop. I think that's a sign. I've done all I need to do here today. Also, what's this? Famous last words, right? Whoa. Slack glass platter. Okay, that's $50. I need to stop. But also, there's Halloween over here. So we have to look at that right quick.
To say that was worth my trip is insanely understated. That was an epic shopping adventure. I was only in there for 35 minutes and spent $138, and I got some really, really great stuff. So now I'm officially calling it a night, and I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern.